जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Honorable Chairman, AP State Legislative Council, Honorable Speaker, AP Legislative Assembly, and Honorable Members of the State Legislature. It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to address the esteemed joint session of this Legislative Assembly on this momentous occasion of the budget session 2025-26. The people of Andhra Pradesh have bestowed an unprecedented mandate to my government in the assembly elections, reflecting their trust and confidence in the leadership of Shri Narendra Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Pawan Kalyan Garu, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and the complete support of Shri Narendra Modi Garu, Honorable Prime Minister of India, and the coalition of NDA government. The overwhelming and historic majority bestowed upon this government is not only a resounding testament to people's will, but also a strong statement against the misrule of the previous regime. Let me bring the attention of the August House to my earlier address to this House, where I had spoken about the perilous situation we were in due to misappropriation on all fronts in the previous regime. I had highlighted the misgovernance that took place during the past 5 years, 2019 to 24, which had left behind the state on the brink of financial collapse. The people were informed about the true extent of damage done to the state by the previous regime through the 7 white papers. These white papers revealed the gross mismanagement of the state finances, diversion of state resources, erosion of state revenue by looting of natural resources, and flawed policies in excise and sand mining, discounting 25 years of future income by diverting the taxes of the government, exorbitant debt level and borrowing at high interest rate, borrowings in violation of Government of India guidelines, diversion of centrally sponsored scheme funds, collapse of irrigation sector by stalling all projects, destruction of energy sector, huge pending liabilities to the tune of 1.3 lakh crore. From the very first day in office, my government, under the visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu, has conceptualized Super 6 promises and has steadfastly begun working towards the welfare of the people and the revival of the state, reviving the past glory of brand Andhra. Within the first few days, we have taken decisive steps to fulfill our commitments and bring tangible improvements in people's lives, which include abolition of Land Titling Act, enhancing social security pensions to rupees 4,000, announcing of mega DSC for recruitment of 16,347 teachers, strengthening the education sector, conducting a skill census to assess and enhance employment opportunities, reviving 204 Anna canteens, improving rural infrastructure, mission for pothole-free roads, and implementing a free sand policy. In the past 8 months, my government has taken significant strides in getting the state back on track from the previous misrule and misgovernance towards the path of development through an accountable and good governance. We have revived 74 out of 93 currently central sponsored schemes which were sponsored by previous regime by clearing liabilities of 9,371 crores. This has triggered further releases from the Government of India for the current and future years. To revive the economic activity and rebuild confidence on brand Andhra Pradesh, we have cleared bills of rupees 10,125 crores relating to irrigation, roads and other works. Strengthen the local governance by releasing long pending liabilities of rupees 2,488 crore of finance commission aid grants. As promised by NDA in the current assembly sessions to rebuild the state of AP, capital Amravati and Polavaram irrigation projects have been brought back onto the track. The revival of steel plant and the formation of railway zone are a testament to our commitment to the people of Andhra Pradesh. We have laid a strong foundation by launching 22 new policies that will drive sustained growth and prosperity. I am proud to share that our efforts are already showing results. We are attracting global giants like Google, ArcelorMittal Steel Company, Tata Power, Grenco Group, BPCL, TCL and others with massive investments. To date, investors have pledged investment of rupees 6.5 lakh crore with an employment potential of 4 lakh jobs. As per the first advance estimates for 2024-25, Andhra Pradesh economy has expanded to rupees 16 lakh crore, up from 14.22 lakh crore last year, an impressive nominal growth rate of 12.94%. Our per capita income has also increased to rupees 2.6 lakhs, up from 2.3 lakh in the previous year. This progress is powered by strong performances across all key sectors. Agriculture and allied activities have grown at 15.86%, industries at 6.71%, and services at 11.70%.